Sincerely, there is a question I want Soludo to answer. I will play a video of Soludo now. Soludo Zukwanike because Zukwanike. When are you going to stop all of this? You can always campaign for Tinubu and leave Peter Obi alone. Do your campaign and leave Peter Obi alone. But before then, Soludo, can you tell us what Tinubu will do for us in Southeast? Omar here has been announcing, Tinubu is doing great works in Southeast. Please, I want to know. If you want to also help us in the comment section. If you think Tinubu has been doing well in the Southeast. At most, what I see Tinubu will do is that he will give some of these people jobs, their relatives, make them ministers and nothing else, benefit their individual families. I don't see what Tinubu will be doing for us. I don't know what he will do for us. Will Tinubu build railway, connect it from Lagos to Southeast? I don't think he's thinking about that. For him, it will be a west. How can he do that to Southeast? So I don't know how I'm connecting to the center. Every time you people are announcing alignment with the center or with the moving force. I don't understand. Aligning with the rigging force. Because I know if proper election is conducted, I don't see Tinubu going anywhere. And by the way, Soludo, before I play this video, I want to let you know that you have just one vote. And you people should allow election to count. Let's see again. So that, this time around there, the surprise will be too much. Meanwhile, let me play Soludo's video so that you will see before we start our reaction. Watch.
I am also here in solidarity with you because today you are endorsing the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria for a second term, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu GCFR. I've come in solidarity because progressives are working together. Progressives are working together. It is time for progressives to unite. Yes. There are challenges. Today is not long speeches for me because we are going to have our own day. APGA will soon be meeting and will make its own statement. And I believe thereafter, progressives all over Nigeria will be coming together under one umbrella to make sure that Bola Tinubu continues the great job, the foundational structure that he is laying now for Nigeria. So I join you in solidarity on that, and to also say to Ndigbo, enough of the politics of lamentations. We must now move from the alliance for protests to alliance for progress, alliance partnership for prosperity for Ndigbo. Ofeke amara mgbe eke nkokwa. Kama efi anyị ga-agbafela ọsọ anyị egbubeli ọdụ. We must now unite as Ndigbo, and we must not waste our votes again. We must not waste our votes again. Maka na ụgbọ na-aga ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ na-aga ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ na-aga ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ na-aga ụgbọ Tinubu, ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ na-aga ụgbọ ndị ụgbọ nwefuru, ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ na-aga ụgbọ ndị ọma. Thank you very much and God bless you all. You will hear from us very soon. Thank you.
The day I ever hear Governor Soludo shout they are marginalizing the Southeast, the day I hear it from his mouth,
okay.
He must never repeat it. Now, they are not marginalizing the Southeast. They are supporting President Tinubu. The day I hear it from...
You know what Soludo is telling the entire Southeast? That our votes for Peter Obi will be wasted. According to him, we will dump protest. What protest? Voting for Peter Obi, is it a protest? We will start begging Tinubu for progress. That is what, for me, it looks like an embarrassment, an insult to Ndigbo. We will have to dump protests and start begging Tinubu. What Soludo is doing, it is not an endorsement of Tinubu, just an endorsement. For me, I see that as a declaration of war on Obidient movement. And Obidient movement will shock you people again. You people should allow election to count. And what Soludo said is one of the most dangerous political statements. Sincerely, that is a dangerous political statement. I don't know what Soludo sees. I don't see Soludo becoming a president of Nigeria anytime. I don't know whether he's trying to build into his own future. There is no way people will like Soludo in the future more than Peter Obi. I don't see it happening. Soludo is demarketing himself. Soludo on wayo. That was in a rally to support Tinubu's second time in Ebonyi State. I think, and I told somebody, Soludo should have joined APC. It would have been easier. This campaign would have been easier. He's still in APGA. And he's, join APC, just like the governor of Ebonyi State, the one you are in his rally. Join APC. Must you be in APGA? Join APC. So that perhaps we understand where the insult is coming from. The insult is so much. Only you, Soludo, is wise among Ndigbo. Only you, Soludo, is wise. Everyone else is foolish. And you just have one vote. Each of your family member, one vote. We should join the moving trend. You would have said we should join the rigging trend. We should join the riggers. According to him, 2023 is a mistake. The vote casted for Peter Obi. What mistake? Will everyone put their eggs in one basket? I believe some Igbos, maybe few of them voted for Tinubu. Few. Okay, because we did not vote for Tinubu, or we wouldn't vote for Tinubu, and maybe our allocations to the southeast will be seized. I don't understand. At most, like I said earlier, Tinubu will appoint certain people ministers. Not more than 2. You have already seen his body language in this first term. All the ministers, almost all positions, 70% or 80% of the positions are held by his people. What do we want from him? We can already predict what he will do. Somebody that is, instead of building seaports where you have waters, he's still promoting dry seaports. I think he doesn't know what he's doing. Soludo's argument is in 3 parts. Let's look at it, have analyzed it here. He says the Southeast needs to be close to federal power to get roads, project influence. If you are outside shouting, you get nothing. 2, he said winners takes all. He believes Tinubu has the federal might to win 2027. So why fight a losing battle? If Tinubu has the federal might to win 2027, no need for election again. Tinubu should just be declared president, Abi. Is that what we should do? Is that how Nigeria sets it? Is that what the constitution says? Now, his third one is, he said results over feeling. He says stop voting with emotion. Vote for who can deliver. In terms of who can deliver, if you want to start looking at between Peter Obi and Tinubu, who can deliver? Soludo, are you sure you are not the one who is emotional here? What has Tinubu done within these 4 years? Or maybe 4 years is not enough to start some kind of transformation. We are being taxed to hell, and you are telling us. Deliver what? He removed subsidy. That means the money they are paying on our behalf so that we buy things less. He removed it. Where is the money being spent? On what? He would rather sponsor, he would rather pour all of Nigeria's money in campaign than using same money to fix things and get the people's support. You are telling us, you are the one that's being emotional here, Soludo. Anyway, let me look at the bottom line of what Soludo said. He said, Obi can't win. Tinubu controls the system. He controls the rigging, Abi. You have to join who controls the rigging. You have to give him because he controls the system, because he's in charge of a rigorous association. According to Soludo, Tinubu is the only path to progress for Ndigbo. And he's calling your 2023 vote a protest that achieved nothing. Can you imagine? And then I say, sign. Soludo sign. Oh? To Soludo, Western vote is an insult. In 2023, the Southeast voted Obi like never before. It was identity, it was hope, actually, and it was defiance. Now Soludo is calling that entirely a West. Soludo. Now, let me show you some faults in what Soludo is saying. And I keep saying it's an insult to us. Soludo is dismissing our choice. Yes. He told you your political values don't matter. Only what matters is Tinubu has to win. Many people who are voting Peter Obi are not voting him because he's Igbo. And let me tell you, Peter Obi will win Lagos in a free and fair election. Not just by a slight margin. It will be ground shaking. Talking of an Igbo. He's not winning an Igbo because he's Igbo. Check Igbo's voting line, voting history from time. We vote for competence. We vote for people who, not just we feel, people whose record are clean. Stop insulting us. How can you dismiss our choice? Even though he did not name Obi, but we know where his attack is going to. Yes, he did not name Obi. But can you imagine voting for Obi? He has seen it as protest. Saying we failed, we made a mistake. If we have voted for Tinubu, what will Tinubu do? He said, Obo na aga, Obo ndioma, Obo rigin, Obo ndioma. Obo na aga gini. My only advice is let them allow free and fair election. One person, one vote, and let's see. Soludo cannot decide for the whole of Ndigbo. Each person should be one vote, and we should allow it to count. You will see shocker. This is where I will end this video. Soludo keep insulting us, because keep begging for contract from APGA and whatsoever. Keep insulting us. But we will watch your political career. I don't know whether you end at just being governor. We are watching your political career. Whatever a man sow, he will reap. You know what? We will watch your political career. Maybe, I think, like somebody said, or people have been saying, you want to be the first Igbo man to be president in Nigeria. There's a way to play this politics. Soludo, at the end of the day, it's possible Anambra State will be rigged in favor of Tinubu, and we will see what Tinubu will do. Let me tell you, there are people we can already predict. But let's give it to you. When they walk, we praise them. But let's see. This is where I will leave this video for now.